I ended up running this jumper wire between this room, across the ceiling, over down to the switch over there. So that goes to right here, which goes up here and out that way. So still need to put a zip tie right here. I forgot that one, but I basically went around after running this jumper. I feel like I did something before that. Maybe that was the only thing, but basically I was making up plugs all day. So just going around to all the different areas. And also the switches as well. So just making up the switches here. Making up the plugs between all the rooms. So all the wire was already ran. So basically just grounding them and then tying the wires together to their appropriate spaces. These were the only different plugs right here. So these are just basically double plugs, and that's the symbol for the double plug, aka the quadplex. So it's just two plugs in one box. So those will get a different cover. So instead of having the single cover like this, it'll have a spot for two of them, one there, so anyways, so I have to run the home run tomorrow for this one, just like downstairs. That will be going over in the ceiling somewhere over there, so that'll be slightly fun. Some more boxes over here. More plugs over there. That one needs to get finished. Tomorrow I'll be working in the bathrooms, doing the lights again. And then there's like this closet over here, another bathroom, closet, electrical room. So that's what I'll be working on tomorrow. Alright guys, so I am back home now, just editing the video. So what happened was the plumber guy, I guess, saw me recording video and was asking me about it and why I was doing it or whatnot. I got some stuff on my face, but anyways, I guess I'm not very sneaky at recording video with people around, so I was just yeah, so I was just walking around talking and stuff, so it's a little awkward, but anyways, it was good. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna say. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to come back tomorrow and check it out again. I'll be at the same place, finishing the stuff, like I said, in the bathrooms and electrical room and the other closet behind it. I don't know if it's a pump room or something, but that's what I'll be working on. And then I'll probably go down to the 4th floor and start doing the same thing over again. I'm not sure what they got going on down there. I don't think they really have any walls built down there, but might have to do some pipe work or just some MC for the disconnects for the HVAC and stuff like that. So anyways, hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow. If you liked the video, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. I'd appreciate that. And thanks for all my friends who have subscribed and support me, and all those who are my YouTube family. You guys are awesome. Appreciate it. Almost at 1,200 subscribers, and I think, let me check the analytics real quick. Actually, I'll do that right now, just so I don't have to clip this together. But the giveaway should be any day now. Let me just hit lifetime real quick. And we're at 250,000 views, guys. So the giveaway, I'll make a giveaway video real quick, and you guys can get cracking on that, and hopefully you win, and I'll do another tool giveaway. So that'll be my third one. Thanks for the support, guys. We're going places. And anyways, see you tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.